Before installing your head assembly, make sure all the female hose threaded components have a rubber gasket, since this is how the threaded parts seal tight. A great tip is to set up your head assembly before connecting it to your faucet, since that will relieve any strain on your back or your knees. The first item on the assembly is the timer. This component is the number one component on the head assembly that will help automate the system, as the timer goes on first for the sole purpose that it is rated for constant pressure and in allowing you to leave the faucet open. The next item on the list would be the backflow preventer. This will be the second item that will go on your head assembly. This component helps in preventing irrigation water from flowing back into your water supply. The next item on the list is going to be the filter. This helps to prevent any clogging in your irrigation system. The next one on the list is your pressure regulator. This helps protect the system from high pressure and ensures that our sprayers and emitters are dripping in a nice and uniform manner. And the last item on the list will be the tube biting adapter that hooks up to your pressure regulator and your mainline head assembly. Go ahead and untighten the neck, insert the tubing,